Okay, let's talk about k largest element in the string. So you design a class to find the k largest element in the string, and note that this is the k largest element in the sorting order, not the k distinct element. So you have to implement the k largest class. So this is constructor, and this is add method. So for the constructor, you have the size of the size of a string, and then in array, and the value you just have to add into the string, and this is how it is, right? And for example one, right, you have the in array and the size, and then you need to pop the smallest one because the smallest one is not allowed because it's sorting array. So if the string size is greater than the size we give, right, then we need to pop. So 458 2, then this is size of 4, right? We need to pop 1, which is 2, and we add another 3, so they will become 345A, right? But 345A is size of 4, which is greater than 3, right? So you need to pop the 3, and then when you pop the 3, and then you will have to pick the current minimum, which is 4, and then 5 if the current minimum is 5, 10, 5, 9, 8, 4, 8. So let's just start coding without too much talking. So what I have to do is I need to know priority queue. So priority queue is the sorting. Is adding the value into the string, which is from smallest to largest, and you can also reverse, but that will have a different scenario on this case. But we are definitely like using a default priority queue. So I'm gonna say priority queue is equal to integer because we are sorting integer, right? So I'm gonna say PQ, and we do need to know the size of the priority queue. Then I'm going to say in size. Then the size is equal to k, right? Because this is how you actually initialize the size. Then I need to initialize my priority queue. New PQ equal to new PI priority queue, and then the size is become k. The maximum for the PQ is size of k, right? So what I have to do, I have to add every number into the priority queue. So I'm not recommending you to do this PQ.add and then num, because this will give you a little bit trouble when you just adding. So since we have add method, right, then what we can do is we just say add nums. So what are we doing for add? So we are going to say pq.add val, and we need to check if pq size is greater than the actual size we given. The actual size, size of k, right? When we add, right, when we add a value into the priority queue, at some point it will greater than the size for the restriction, right? So we need to pop. So PQ is poll, right? PQ.poll. Then we need to return the current minimum of the industry. So PQ.p. And this will be the solution. And if you're concerned why I use if, because for every single time we definitely add from size of 0, right? And then we add, and then when you hit one point, it will definitely greater than the size of the k, right? Then we just poll. If you are concerned why using if, you can change to val, but the solution will be the same. And they just run the code and then see if I have any error or not. And this will be it, right? So let's talk about time and space complexity. So if you know the priority queue, you are adding every number into the string, and you have to compare the value between, right? So that will be n log n, right? But the problem is we only have the size of k, right? So that will be n log k, right? N represent the numbers in the array, and then k represent the size of the k. You only have size of k, and then how many number, n number. That will be time, and the space is definitely going to be all of k, right? You can only store k numbers in a string, which is pq. So that will be all of k for space. Time is n log k. And this will be a solution. If you have any question, leave a comment below, subscribe if you want it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.